Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited keys and unlimited coins in Subway Surfers game. So uh, to perform this operation we need not be professional hackers. By following some of the steps we can make it possible. So without wasting our time, I would like to proceed. So to perform this operation we need to select any of the browsers. So I would like to with Google Chrome, which is more convenient for me. So here here we need to type go google.com. So google.com. So in google.com, yeah, in this search bar we need to type subway, yeah, Subway Surfer mod apk. Yeah, it is already typed, so you need to type the same thing over here. Yeah, I click it. So you need to type the same thing. Yeah, as you can see, Google has given number of results in seconds. So to go for this option, www.apklevel.com. So it will give you unlimited coins slash keys. This mod will keys for Android. So let's go for it. So it is redirect site. So yeah, this is apklevel.com site. So yeah, after going to this, these are the screenshots. Screenshots are not loading properly. Wait. Yeah, these are the game screenshots. Subways of Havana City. Format is game size is around 59 MB, and the version of game is 1.1.0, and the file format is APK, and total is somewhat 500 500. Yeah, you need to download this mod 1 file only. Download Subway Surfer Havana APK version 1.61.0 mod. You need to click this one. After clicking this one, it will directly redirect you to and another page. In that page, it will be the options will be given you to download this game. So after downloading this, you after downloading this file, you need to open it. So I have already downloaded it, so I will show you from where to open it. So I'll go with my home, my my files, file manager, be like, so recent files. Yeah, I'll go in the recent files, and the first one is my Subway Surfer from APK. Yeah, I'll go with it. Option, next, install. Yeah, it's installing it. It will take some time to install it. So the app has been installed successfully. So app has been installed successfully. I will go with the open option. So let's open the game right now. So this is the front page of your game. So here is a trip. Open mystery boxes. Go for the jackpot. It's loading. Yeah, the game is in Havana City. The mall, basic mall. It's loading. Yeah, as you can see here, 0.00000. For to get unlimited coin, we just need to play for a minute. I'll go with tap to play. I'll play for a while, so that coins and unlimited keys, by which I can purchase the hoverboard. Yeah, this is hoverboard. Phone is I think so the minute is to end my game here, so I have ended it. So this is the minimum high score which I've played in. You can see here the my number of keys is 9959, and my coins is 9954 002. So to use this coin I will go to my shop, and I will like to shop hoverboards. Number of hoverboards board is of 300 coins. I have only two hoverboards. I would like to purchase more number of hoverboards, so I will go with 100 to buy. I would like to buy 100 hoverboards, 100 hoverboards, and my coins and my keys remain same. As you can see, after purchasing 100 coins also my coins remain same. So mystery box, I just want to buy it, so open. What I got is 1000 coins. That's amazing. I just want a score booster which cost of 300 coins. I have zero score boosters. I would like to go with around the 50 score boosters. I don't need this much. What is the use of this score boosters? And the next one, mega head start, show in within a couple of minutes. So I would like to buy this one also, mega head start. Yeah, 2001. I would like to buy around 50. Yeah, I have successfully purchased around 55. I just don't know the skip missions. Yeah, I just want to increase my jetpacks. I just want to full it. Completely full it. I just same as of sneakers and a coin magnet. Obviously, we need, again, two power X multipliers. My all upgrades are full. Now I'll go to menu option. I'll go with me. As you can see here, every character is being unlocked, yeah, by using mod application. Yeah, your every character, everything is with this prince one. It look better. Yeah, costume is not that much interesting. I'll go with this one. Yeah, this seems to be good. It is of 280 keys. Yeah, I would like to purchase it. As you can see, still same. It is constant. Yeah, there is an award for me. I would like to collect this award. Yeah, it's time to play with this of to play now. Yeah, I will show what is this. Yeah, it will give you more, around 81, 79. It will take us more faster. Way end of my game. So this is my high score. For watching my video. Thanks for watching my video, and do like my video. So see you in the next video.